Hello and welcome to Programming the Lazy Way, a sequence of short videos for beginning programmers. I'm Will Briggs, creator of C++ for lazy programmers, and today I want to play a game which is taken from one of the exercises in that book. So welcome to The Price is Right, at least my pretend version, and come on down. You see these three doors? Behind one of them is a fabulous prize. I don't know, Ferrari, a trip to South America, a chunk of South America, whatever it is, you want it real bad. Behind the other two doors are goats eating hay. I don't know why whenever people talk about this problem they always have goats as the other doors. So you pick a door. Let's say it's door number 1. If you picked a door with a goat, then there's going to be at least one of these other doors that has a goat. So I'll open that one. If you picked a door with a prize, I'll pick one of the other two doors at random. You picked door number 1, so I'm going to open door number 3. Okay, so that's got a goat. It's definitely not the door with the prize behind it. And I offer you this choice. Do you want to switch to the other closed door? And I ask, on average, if you switch, are you more likely to win, less likely to win, or does it make no difference at all? Marilyn Vos Savant, the high IQ columnist for Parade magazine since 1986, ran a column on this in which she gave the right answer. But you wouldn't know it by the contrary mail, you might say hate mail in some cases, that she got. Look at these. You blew it, and you blew it big. Since you seem to have difficulty grasping the basic principle at work, I will explain. Or, let's see, I'm sure you will receive many letters on this topic from high school and college students. Perhaps you should keep a few addresses to help with future columns. Maybe women look at math problems differently than men? What? You are the goat? You notice how many of these have PhDs and university affiliations prominently displayed, and they are all wrong. So was I the first time I heard it. I did not believe the right answer, and I didn't believe my friend's explanation of the right answer. But I'm a programmer, so naturally, I wrote a program to find out. What I did was I ran the game some large number of times. I haven't written that in here. And I counted the number of times I won if I switched. I divided it by the number of times I played, and I got the percentage. Was it 50%, less, or more? I was really surprised by the answer. Now, I'm not going to show a solution here because it's too much fun for you to do it. Please do make note of how I phrased the problem written here. That precise phrasing will help you make the program more easily and make it right. So when you're done, do your results surprise you like mine surprised me? Please leave your comments or likes below and stay lazy.